This is a Hunter West Indies ceiling fan in weathered bronze with brown wicker blades. I got this out of my grandma's house. She bought a new home and she replaced all the ceiling fans. This one got replaced with a Home Decorators merwry. And it's pretty dirty too. I believe the previous owner did not clean this fan at all, since it's disgusting, really. The light chain was broken when I got it, so I just, there was a little bit of stub, so I just attached another chain to that. Here's the Hunter logo. I hate that mounting system so much. The triangle thing, it's probably the hardest thing to do. And this fan's a little bit heavier than most Hunters, so it's hard to hold it up while you're wiring the thing. I'm going to demonstrate the light. There's 2 candelabra bulbs in there. I'll show ya. Turn it off for a second so you can see. Yeah, there it is. It's a nice looking fan though. I wouldn't mind having this in my outdoor cabana or porch or somewhat. It's pretty nice. It still is dirty. I still didn't clean it off yet. And here's low. It goes really slow. I think it's a capacitor problem or just the extra added weight on the blades. So here's low. That's about as fast as low gets. It doesn't really move any air. I do like the light count on this fan too. I really do. I think it's really nice. Has the wicker pattern. And I cleaned this all up though. But I didn't get to the blades yet. I'll show it on the light. It's a static glow. It looks really nice. And it's a kind of a childhood fan since I used to see these in the Home Depot catalogs as a kid. Here's medium. Doesn't go that much faster on medium too. High is when it starts to go a little bit more fast. It is wobbling too. That's not because of the fan though, because the I didn't screw it up there all the way in the beam. You feel some air from it. It's not a ton of air, but it's okay for an outdoor leaf-bladed fan. Kind of hear the wind noise too. And I'll turn it to high. I'll show you the light. I'll get up close to it. And there is some air moving. And it sounds really cool. Those wicker blades. And sorry if my voice is lower than usual. I'm quite sick today. show you the top when we get to that. Turn on the light here. I don't have that on while I'm filming because obvious reasons right there. The trimming broke too when I was taking it down, so. There's the tag right there. I think it's 2507, so the 25th week of 2007. Oh yeah, also on the top, that white pattern up there, that's just paint from when they were painting the house with the spray. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.